If Epic Games Launcher is opening to a blank screen, freezing on launch, or not launching at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that often solves the problem in just a few minutes. This issue is usually caused by a frozen background process or a display scaling problem. And the good news is that both are easy to check and fix. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to make sure Epic Games Launcher is not stuck running in the background. A frozen background process can stop the launcher from opening properly, even if you click it multiple times. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of processes. Now look through the processes list for Epic Games Launcher. If you see it there, right-click it and choose End Task. This completely closes the stuck process and gives you a clean restart. Once that is done, close Task Manager and go back to your desktop. Now find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with administrator permissions can help bypass launch issues caused by Windows permissions or blocked access. If the launcher opens normally after that, great, the issue was likely just a background process or permission problem. But if you still see a blank screen or the app refuses to load, we're going to move on to the compatibility settings, because this next fix often resolves display-related problems. Right-click your desktop Epic Games Launcher shortcut again and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, look for the option that says Change High DPI Settings and click it. A new window will open with advanced scaling options. In that window, check the box for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Then, in the drop-down menu that says Scaling Performed By, choose System. This setting helps Windows handle how the launcher is displayed on screens with scaling or resolution conflicts, which can be the reason the interface appears blank or doesn't render correctly. After selecting System, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Now click Apply and OK again in the main Properties window to make sure everything is saved properly. Once that is done, try launching Epic Games Launcher again. In many cases, this is enough to fix the blank screen issue and get the launcher loading normally again. If you're still having trouble, you can repeat the process and make sure the background process is fully closed before relaunching, because sometimes the launcher can remain half open in memory. The key steps are to end the task, run the app as administrator, and adjust the high DPI compatibility settings. Those 3 fixes solve a lot of common launch and blank screen problems. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.